Hi, I'm Rick the Bookkeeper with McKee Bookkeeping Services in Gilbert, Arizona. Now that we're in the fourth quarter of 2024, I wanted to record a quick video about the 6 most common bookkeeping mistakes and some tips to help avoid them. Number 1, neglecting the books or falling way behind. Small business owners, as you know, are very busy people, and it's easy for the bookkeeping to get pushed way down the list of priorities in the face of so many fires to put out and the steady stream of other pressing matters. But it's essential to always have clean and up-to-date books for better decision making. If you've reached a point where you struggle to keep on top of your numbers, consider outsourcing this work or hiring a part-time bookkeeper. If hiring or outsourcing is not an option, then establish a habit of doing 1 to 2 hours per week or whatever time you need. Number 2, commingling business with personal. This is easy to overlook in the early stages of a business when it's common to fund the business with personal checking, credit card, or loan accounts. Suggest to open a business checking account and credit card straight away once you've decided on your business structure. If you don't have a business credit card, then designate a personal card as business only. This way your business income and expenses are kept separate from all your personal transactions, which eliminates a lot of potential headaches down the road. You never want to find yourself in an IRS audit trying to explain why you thought it prudent to combine business and personal transactions in the same. Number 3, not reconciling the bank accounts. Reconciling balance sheet accounts, especially checking, credit card, and loan accounts, is the foundation of proper bookkeeping. It's helpful to do this often enough so you can still recall the transaction details. Typically, it's done weekly or monthly for small to medium-sized businesses. Many online bookkeeping platforms provide automatic bank feeds whereby your banking transactions are automatically imported. The bookkeeping software make the actual reconciliations much easier to do, assuming all the transactions are imported and categorized correctly, of course. Reconciliations are often where you'll spot the errors, and it's much easier to correct them when transactions are still clear in your mind. It's common to reconcile accounts monthly to coincide with the bank statements. Number 4, not keeping receipts. Develop a routine and implement a system for keeping all business receipts. This allows you to properly claim the expenses you're allowed to deduct and provides the necessary evidence if audited. You may be asked to provide receipts if audited. Keep for 7 years just to be safe. Electronic or digital records of receipts meet the requirements. Number 5, not reviewing financial statements. Financial statements show your company's financial situation at any point in time. They are how business owners stay on top of their numbers and provide a reliable framework for good, strategic, and tactical decisions to support growth. They're also crucial to have for potential investors, financing, buyers, if you're thinking to sell, and of course your tax professional. If unsure how to read or interpret the financial statements, please ask your CPA or bookkeeper if you have one for assistance. Take a course or search online or offline for tutorials and classes. Number 6, winging it. This is often a result of not understanding how to handle certain transactions and or being in a hurry when doing the books. Winging it leads to inconsistent categorization, unreconciled accounts, and unreliable financial statements. Like interest, guessing my way through this errors compound over time and can be extremely difficult to sort out once a period of time has elapsed. One suggestion is to put transactions in Ask Accountant category. If you're not sure, then ask your accountant when the opportunity arises. Another suggestion is to check your bookkeeping software has tutorials on common problems that come up for their customers. Or Google or YouTube searches can often lead to finding the solution, but always check the source. Of course, if you have a CPA and or a bookkeeper, ask them and you'll be all set. Well, I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.